Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can link stories on Jira, for example, to your work items and issues such as tasks. It is actually very simple, guys, and we're going to show you each step of the process. So let us dive right into it now. So what you want to do in the first step, guys, is head over to Jira. If you don't know how to access Jira, and if you're doing this for the first time, guys, don't worry. It is very simple. Head over to Google search, type in Jira, and select, for example, this search engine here by Atlassian, as you can see, or this one here, Jira, and then you see this here. So what you want to do is click into one of these sites, and after that you'll be redirected to your Atlassian account. Make sure that you log in, for example, if you're a Google account, and after that select your Jira site listed below. You can also click into look for a different site to get a better overview, or click into create a new site to create a new one. So let me click into look for a different site, and after that Atlassian will redirect you to this overview here. So I will go with this one here for demonstration purposes, but if you'd like to go with a different one, guys, simply click into Jira here in the top left, and here simply select one of your Jira sites linked to your account. So once you're inside your Jira site, guys, what you want to do is, let me just finish loading this one here, in your Jira site, is head over to the given project you would like to customize and edit. To do this, guys, simply click into projects here in the top, in the left. Alternatively, if you'd like to work not only with projects, but with your work items directly, you may always apply a filter, guys, by expanding the filters section top left corner. And here under all work items, simply filter out all work items within your Jira site, no matter which project or Scrum boards they have been assigned to. So let me go with this option here, all work items. And as previously mentioned, this will give you an overview of all work items within your Jira site. So what you want to do is simply browse through that list and pick the Jira task or work item, or as they were called in the past, issue, from that menu here by clicking into the given key. So let me go, for example, with this one here. Click into it, and that is going to redirect you to the given work items customization. So what you want to do, guys, is you may, for instance, customize its details, assign, for example, someone to the given task, label it, or add a parent task, set a due date, and so on and so forth, guys. It is actually no rocket science, but if you'd like to link it directly with one of your stories here in your Jira site, you may do it by simply clicking into add linked work item here. And after that, you may simply add the action here, is blocked by, for example, or is duplicated by, relates to, is cloned by. So let me go with relates to for demonstration purposes. If you haven't created any story yet, guys, you may do that by clicking into create linked work item here and start creating your story. Just remember to select story as your work type here. As you can see, there are these work types available: epic, feature, task, and story. If you don't see story, guys, here simply click into add work type, click into that drop down menu and select story from that drop down menu, or create a custom work type. Now I created already a story for demonstration purposes, so that I don't have or need to create that one again. So let me click on cancel here. Yes, discard. So if you have already created a story within your Jira site, guys, simply link it with your work item by clicking into this field here, type search or paste URL. And yeah, simply select your story from that menu here. Like, for instance, let me go, for example, with story, or just enter these letters here, ST, and that will give you a list of all stories. So let me go with this story here. You will also be able to tell by that symbol here to the left that we're talking about a story work type. So select it. You may select also other work items, not only stories, but for example, other tasks, subtasks, features, and so on and so forth, and link these to your work items. So add as many as you like, and that's basically it. After that, confirm by clicking into link here, and that is going to link your both work items, as you can see with the current action here relates to. So if I head over to that story, let me open it in another tab. just like that, you will see that it has been linked with that work item here. So that's the proof of it. As you can see, both have been linked to each other. You may also go to the given project overview, for example, go with the list or board or backlog view and simply click into the given story or item. Let me go with that story here, click into the key. And again, this will confirm that the given story has been linked to your work item. And that's how it works, guys. You may add more of these if you like by clicking into that plus button and link your story to as many work items within your Jira site as you like using the method I just showed you. And that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you later on our channel.